Hello everyone and welcome back to another short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install indicators on MetaTrader 5 and also give you a rundown on the risk analyzer indicator by Hola, a completely free indicator that will help you with your risk management. So we're on MetaTrader 5 right now. Now in order to install an indicator, it's actually very simple. Simply go to File, Open Data Folder, click on MQL5, Indicators, and simply drag and drop your indicator into this folder. So we have the Risk Analyzer MT5 Final Indicator from Hola. We're going to simply click, drag and drop into the MetaTrader indicator folder. We can now go ahead, close that folder. And now simply we're going to right click on the chart and click refresh. Okay. Now in order to actually add the indicator onto your chart or onto an instrument, simply go to View Navigator, and you will see under the indicator drop-down menu there is the indicator we just installed. It's Risk Analyzer MT5. So I'm going to go ahead, click, drag and drop onto the chart, click OK, and now we have the indicator on the chart. So what does the Risk Analyzer indicator actually do? Well, in order to demonstrate it, we're going to enter a position. So I'm going to enter a position of 0.5 lots, so half a standard lot. And we're going to enter a buy position on Euro US dollar. Now I'm going to set my stop loss. Okay, so let's say we want to put our stop just below these lows here. It now tells us what our risk is on that trade. So we're risking $19. Okay, which is 0.38% of this account. Okay, so it straight away tells you what your risk is based on the trade you have just taken once you put your stop loss. But it works on all instruments. So if we go to the pound US dollar and also add the same indicator onto the pound US dollar, and let's say we take another position of one standard lot on the pound US dollar, and we set our stop loss down here, you can now see it's updated that the pound US dollar, our risk is $50, which is 1% of the account, and our overall risk, okay, across the two positions on Euro US dollar and pound US dollar is $69, or otherwise 1.38%. Okay, so straight away, just by using this indicator, you know what your risk is when you enter a trade, and it really helps you understand, you know, how much am I actually risking without having to pull out the calculator and do the mathematics yourself. Straight away, you know, right, I'm risking 1% on this trade, I'm risking, you know, 0.5%, whatever it might be. So it's really useful to have on a chart. And, you know, therefore you can always stay on top of your risk management. It is completely free to download, so go ahead, download the indicator, add it to your chart. It will definitely help you moving forward. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care.